Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by preparing the hide and the bath. Do not delay. Combine clean, fleshed leather with a chrome tan bath made from water and a basic chromium sulfate at about 1 to 2%. Stir gently to avoid air pockets because even penetration matters. Once the solution is mixed, check pH near 3, 5 and adjust slowly. This controls chromium uptake. Make sure the temperature sits between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius. Consistent heat helps uniform penetration and avoids uneven tanning. You now carry the process into active tannage. Immerse the hide fully and agitate gently on a schedule, every 15 to 30 minutes, to encourage even chromium diffusion. Check a small test spot after 1 to 2 hours for color and residual pH. This tells you whether tanning is progressing. If uptake lags, add small amounts of acid or common salt to promote fixation, but do not shock the leather with abrupt pH changes. Keep detailed notes. They guide repeatable results. You finish by rinsing and stabilizing the leather. Rinse until the effluent runs clear and pH is near neutral, because residual chrome can cause spots or odor. Once rinsed, dry flat or hang in shade at room temperature. Never use direct heat, which tightens fibers. After drying, apply a light oil or commercial finish to restore flexibility and surface uniformity. If you spot uneven color, rebathe the affected areas or neutralize and repeat a controlled rattan. That usually corrects patchy results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.